That's a nice one right there. Oh, he's trying to get away, Alex. Good one. Oh, good night. That's a big one. What is going on? Welcome back to your Lake Fort Guide. It is another gorgeous, beautiful, absolutely as good as it gets type of weather day here in East Texas. We're at Lake Athens once again today. Hey, we didn't really catch the big ones the other day when we came down here, so I wanted to come down again and see if we could catch a little bit better size fish, because Athens, I kind of want to show you what it has to offer. There's some really big bass. Speaking of that, we got the whole Fish Life crew here today. We got some new additions with my boy Matt Barnett. You have to been watching the channel for a long time to remember that guy. And his son Alex, right there. What's up, Alex? Say hi to the people. And y'all know Dylan and Zach watch. And somewhere there is a fishing dog. There she is. Skeeter Bug's coming with us today. I guess it's going to be 3-on-3. It's going to be Zach and Matt and Dylan in the side piece. And then it's going to be me and Alex and Skeeter Bug in the old goat boat back there. And the big deal is we got a big bass contest, so it's individual. This is a fish face slap challenge. Now, the kicker today is you don't have to win. You just got to make sure you don't lose, because whoever catches the smallest of the big bass is going to get slapped in the face with a fish by every single one of the other 4 participants. That's a lot of slime up in your grill right there, so we better make sure we catch them today. Either way, we're going to go out on a beautiful spring day. The fish are biting pretty good out here. Hopefully we're going to catch some big ones. Y'all stay tuned. Good one. Oh, good night. That's a big one. That's a big one. Nope, sure don't. That's a pretty good way to start off a big bass contest, huh, Alex? That's a stud on the chatterbait this morning. Good night, son. Bug, what do you think about that? Skeeter, come here. What's this? What is it? Huh? What about that? Yeah. That fish is as big as you are, Skeeter Bug. That's a nice one to start the day. Let's see what she weighs real quick, folks. All right, we got it at 5 pounds even, folks at home. 5-0, right on the number right there. That's a nice one. Yeah, I'm out there on the board. Yeah, 5-pounder first fish of the day. That's a lot better than anything we caught with old Captain Ron the other day. We'll take it to start, folks. That's an awesome fish. Let's let this one go. That one ain't gonna help us in the big fish deal, but it's a nice one anyway, Alex. It's a nice one. Skeeter gets all excited now. She's starting to get the hang of this old fish. She's like, hey, I kind of like this fishing deal. Get you on a little swim bait deal while I'm throwing a chatterbait. See if we can't get that deal going. Get a bug. What's that right there? What is that, Skeeter? What is it? Yeah, you excited? You're so excited. That's a good girl. That's a nice one, folks. Another quality Lake Athens bass to start our day right here, man. It's going well so far. There you go. You got to say something when you hook up so I can turn the camera around towards you. Oh, I got one here. So you're like running at me or something. Weird. There we go. Nice little chunk. Skeeter. Skeeter. What we got? What we got? We got another fish. Skeeter, don't bite it. Don't bite it. Just be nice to it. There you go. Huh? How about that? There we go, folks. Another nice little Athens chunk. It's going well this morning. Back up. You thought the dog fell in? Hey, you gotta calm down now. You get a little too wound up. Good girl. Little bitty guy. Yeah, little bitty guy. That's a crappie. Look at here, it's a crappie, son. Look at there. Oh, crappie. Got some herpetophilitis or something, I don't know. Something nasty going on with that dude. Come up later right at the boat. That's a nice one, dude. Stay down. Calm down before you fin my foot. Well, hate that I dropped that guy on the carpet. That's a nice one. Skeeter, what is it? What is it? Oh my goodness. She gets so excited about him. That's another nice, dude. That's like the second best one we've caught today. That's a really nice fish. We gotta catch one under the slot or over the slot. The first one was over the slot, but I forgot to keep it for the fish face slap. So we gotta catch one that's under the slot or over the slaughter. So we gotta catch another big one, or we gotta catch an under. Nice fish right there, folks at home. No, I got a big one. No, he ain't as big as I thought he was. Well, he acted like a big one. He was strong there for a second. Man, that sucker was, other than the first one, big one I caught, that was by far strongest fish I've felt. He was mean. And heck, he might be under the slot. Still a nice little chunk. We'll take him. I ain't never mad at them when they bite my cricket. You know what I'm saying, Alex? Never.
Hey, is that a tiger bass in here?
That's what most of these are. This whole lake's stocked with tiger bass. Yeah. Heck no, he's a 15-inch fish. Skeeter, what's going on? What's that? What you got there, Skeeter bug? Huh? Don't bite it, just lick it. She likes them fish. Huh?
Yeah.
She likes them old fish.
Fish dog.
It's an old fishing dog. Good girl, Skeeter. Good girl. Yeah, happy girl. Look, our board has your name on it, Skeeter bug. How about that? How about that? Okay. Okay, good girls. All right, get down. Watch out.
There you go. Good fish.
Is it? Heck yeah. Job, OD-Dub.
That's a good first fish right there, boys and girls.
Man.
Barney, what you got, Han? What you got there, boy? Yee-hee. Heck yeah, son. Very nice. Especially with old wacky rod. How about that, son?
All them divine, son.
What you talking about? Hey, once again, old Z-Dub is hitting them. Hey, Barnett, D-Dub, Z-Dub, we all hitting them on them 6 cents divine Z-Wax. Heck yeah, I don't think that's gonna make 3-1 though, Barnett.
It's gonna be tight. Time. When we stop here.
Matt, what you got there, hand? What'd you catch that one on?
Whack.
That old 6 cents divine Z-Wax?
That's it.
Atta boy. Give me some.
A big one. I mean a big one. Get the net. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You ready with the net?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull him to you right now. Scoop him, Alex. That a boy. Oh, big right there. Skeeter, what is it? What is it, girl? Huh? That's a nice one right there. Oh, he's trying to get away, Alex. That is a good one. A bona fide good one right there. Skeeter bug, what you think about that? Huh? What you think about that, girl? There you go, folks at home. Sure enough, nice one right there. Skeeter's in love with it. Skeeter loves it. She likes to lick the tails, maybe even mouth them just a little bit. She doesn't really bite them, but she does mouth their tails pretty good. That is a nice bass right there. We ready to let her go, Skeeter? Let's let her go. Nice one. Watch yourself, just move. There you go. That's a nice fish, dude. Oh, it's a lot bigger than I thought it was. That's way bigger than I thought that fish was. It's getting a little bit fun, Alex. What about that, Skeeter? What is that? What is that little Skeeter bug? Huh? What you know about that? That's a nice fish, folks at home. That is a really, really nice fish. Again, not gonna be over the 21 inches I'm about. Didn't miss by much, but not over 21 inches. But that is an awesome Lake Athens post spawner. Man, they're kind of eating that chatterbait today. I've been trying to get poor Alex on a fish. I had him throwing the chatterbait for a while. It didn't work. I don't really know what to do. I've had him throwing the wacky worm, the chatterbait, the swim bait. We're gonna let this fish go. That's an awesome fish.
Matt?
No, I think I can move.
Go ahead, D-Dub. Yeah. What a boy. I don't think he's gonna make 3-1. But good fish.
It'll make for a fun time. Again, fish bump, again on them 6 cents divine Z-Wax.
Boy, kept my worm. Even held on to his worm.
Man, yeah.
What kind of worm is that, Matt?
Z-Dub. Whack. Z-Whack.
Little bumpity bump. You got him. Not a bad little head there, son.
Kind of was a little finicky with it. Oh man.
Swallowed it.
Yeah. That'd be another one on the old 6 cents divine Z-Wax. Fish a little thin in the skin.
Oh, he grabbed it, dude. Man, why couldn't he get pinned up? That's all right. That's all right. That's a good sign, Matt. Maybe 7 minutes. Yeah, no, Dylan, you're 100% right. We hitting him damn boat. Get him, Matt. Damn. Get him, son.
We finally got him.
Heck yeah.
Hell, he ain't damn 2 pounds, man.
Hey, it's fun though, wasn't it?
Yeah. Old Lucky 13 got him, baby.
May 1st bedfish.
Heck yeah, Barnett. Let me see him. I don't think he's 3-1. Do you?
I'm about to switch over to that green pumpkin bird.
He just threw it. He just caught that on a melon dust.
Hit him if he ready. Hey, Barnett, what you got, boy? Alex. Don't lose him, Alex. We need that one. That one's under 14. We can slap somebody in the face with that one. Of course, you might want to lose him because you might be the one getting slapped.
Yeah.
Look at there. Whopper Jr. We're going to have a hard time catching him out the live well if we put him in there.
Yep.
That's under 14 inches. Guaranteed,
Like
folks
9,
at home.
10.
Get a good smell of him, Alex. Get you a good smell. Smell him real good. Because if you don't catch one bigger than that, you're going to be getting slapped with him.
Yeah.
Go throw him in the box there, old son.